August is Hair Loss Awareness Month, and there are a lot of misperceptions and myths about hair loss and the treatments available. Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical tells us how we can treat and help prevent hair loss.
So that's the exciting thing, that there are many treatments that are effective. So remember, if you've got some thinning hair going on out there, you've really got to find a physician who could diagnose and evaluate and track and monitor and treat your problem. Typically, we will dovetail at-home therapies, which could be a topical medication, it could be laser light therapy devices like this, the TURBO LaserCap, or an in-office device or in-office treatment like PDOgro or PRP.
With different stages of hair loss, Dr. Bauman gives us the best painless treatment tips to each stage.
Usually we'll put together a program to try to prevent hair loss and enhance the hair follicles you have. So if the follicles are weakening and they're miniaturizing, that's where the topical medications like 82M Minoxidil, which is a prescription version of Minoxidil. We're going to use laser light therapy at home. We're going to dovetail that with an in-office treatment like platelet-rich plasma, PRP, or as we mentioned, PDOgro. But the problem is, if the follicles are dead and gone, then we have to do some degree of transplants. But the good news is, Mythbuster here, hair transplants are no longer painful, pluggy, unnatural looking at all. They're going to be comfortable, they're going to be artistically designed, and they're going to look great when they're all done. And they're going to make you feel great.
If you want to know more information or schedule a consultation with Dr. Bauman, head to baumanmedical.com. I'm Miriam Tapia with TheCW South Florida.